kasama natin yung may-ari, yung owner mismo nitong panlaban natin sa Manila Auto Salon, si Boss Rasta. Tanungan natin kasi para malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga modifications na dito. Siya magsasabi. Hey, Boss.
And guys, everyone, first tie sheet up siya. Modified by Caron Works, Fitment, Primap, and Thai Luxury DIY Master, and maintenance by Lakay Automobile Doctor. So, from the engine bay is I have titanium bar with intake titanium also, and full exhaust by Primap. Then I have facelift and battery from Thailand, and